Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can view logs on Ubuntu Linux machine. Now I'm going to be showing two different ways that we can view these logs. Now you'll need to open your terminal, and this is what we're going to be using to view the logs. Once you have the terminal open, we'll navigate to a directory where you can find most of the logs, and that's under var/log. So let's cd to var log, and then we'll do ls. In here you'll see there's different files that end with .log. So you have this one, dpkg.log, boot.log, auth.log. So these are the different logs that are on your system, and there is also syslog that contains most of the logs. Now, depending on which logs you want to view, you can use different commands to view the logs. You can use cat command. You can say cat and say syslog, and that should show you all the syslog commands. But if you wanted to scroll through the logs, you can use less, and then you can say syslog. And this should allow you to scroll through the pages of the logs of the file, and just do Q to quit. Another way you can view these logs is by using the tail command, which you can specify just the last logs on that file, and you can even specify the number tail, let's say -5 syslog, and that shows you just the last 5. And if you wanted to do like a refresh or real-time view of the logs, you could do let's say tail and then -f for refresh, and then syslog, and this should refresh the logs as they come in. For instance, if I wanted to, and if I try to say access this remotely using SSH, you should see those logs come in as well. Let me go ahead and open another terminal. I'll use Ctrl-Alt-T and check the IP address here, 172.16.1.100. Let me try and SSH to this using PuTTY. 172.16.1.100. Accept, and I'll use and I'm able to log in. And so here you can see that you have user. Here you can see session 5 of user eno. So whenever I connected remotely using PuTTY and using SSH, it was able to show us that log. So, and when I log out, it also shows us. Now with these log files, you can also search for logs using a keyword, using grep. So let's say, let me quit this. So let's say I wanted to search based on for logs containing user, grep user, and then syslog. Not anything that has user will show up in. So that's one way you can view logs. Again, just use whatever command you want to use to view the log. We can use this for the authentication logs to view that. For instance, this just shows us that SSH connection. And there's other logs here, including the kernel logs, this one's right here, last log, and so on. Now in the newer versions of Ubuntu, there's also another tool called journalctl. We can also use that one to view logs. So let's look at that tool. So it's journal, just type, let me cd here. So we can just type journalctl by itself, and that should show you all the logs on your system. Now there's different options that we can use with journalctl. If you do journalctl-h, you can see that there's different options that can make it easier for you to search for specific logs. You can search by date, by boot, specific boot, and specific types like kernel messages, by service or by unit. So let's look at a few examples here. Let's say journalctl, and then if we wanted to look at the current boot, we can use -b, and if you wanted to do the previous boot, you can add -1. That should show us the previous boot. Okay, moving on, let's look at the other options we have. You can look at real-time logs again. Just use journalctl-f for refresh, and any new logs that are coming in, you should be able to view them here. Let's just quickly do the SSH again, just to demonstrate. And that's the SSH connection. Let me exit. Let's see another example here. If you wanted to look at logs from a specific timeline, you can specify the timeline here. You can say since, and then you'll put the date in brackets here. Let's say 2023-15, and then the time 10:00, for example, until, and then again specify the date and the time, and that should show you just logs for that time. You can also say logs ranging from the last 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. You can say since the last let's say 1 hours ago, and that should show us logs from just the last 1 hour. So we can also look at logs that are specific to an application or a unit. You can say journalctl-u, and then you can say, let's say SSH, and that should show us logs that are specific to SSH. Finally, we can use grep to search for logs that match a specific keyword. You can say journalctl, then we can grep these two, say SSH again, and that should show us all the logs that have SSH, have the word SSH in them, and this. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can view logs on a Ubuntu Linux machine. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.